What's up, guys? Today I am doing a taste test review on Pop Tart. Yeah, Pop Tarts. This is the maple, the Kellogg Eggo frosted maple flavor. Well, I'm gonna just say frosted maple flavor, and this one here is the lemon cream pie. So this is the lemon cream pie. You want to hear it again? Lemon cream pie, cream pie, cream pie, cream pie. We're gonna do the lemon cream pie. So we're gonna get into this. You know, I see Leilani and them doing this. Why is one side is? Oh, wow, here and here, but oh. All right, we're gonna get into this here. All right, so let me take this out of my ear. So we're gonna do the maple. So how y'all guys been doing? I hope everybody's doing good on this Thursday. For me, I'm doing good too. So you know, all right. And this is like I said, the maple. Let me take this down. So we could just concentrate just on this here. Thumbnail. Oh, I can't eat the plastic, so I have to wait. All right, so like I said, I seen Leilani and them doing they was doing snickerdoodles. I don't like snickerdoodles. I could just keep that cookie. Nope. But so I said, oh, I ain't never had these, so let me just try these. Okay. Wait. That don't look like, what is this? I can't get jiggy with this. What is this? It look like mustard and cream. It don't look like, Look. What is this? It don't look like that. Look. It don't look like this. It looks like this. Okay. That's okay. But it smells like syrup. Maple. Okay. All right. We're gonna here. Let me just get into this. This is what it looks like, guys. Don't look like the box, how the design. I want to, when you take something out the box, you want to, see it look just like the box, not whatever this is. It's like somebody just did a number to this. So let me go ahead and just take all this off because I don't think you're supposed to eat the edges of it. So I'm only going to eat just one of these because I don't like Pop-Tarts. I don't know who came up with them, but hey, so there you go. So I'm gonna try this banana. I'm in this maple. Why do I keep thinking something else? All right, wait. I feel like I'm literally eating a morning's waffle in the morning. But like I said, I don't like Pop-Tarts. But it's not bad. But no. I'm gonna put this the rest away here. Because I definitely be giving these things away. I ain't gonna eat no more of them. I don't care for Pop-Tarts. Now, we're gonna get into the lemon cream pie. I don't know how I forgot that just so fast. Then I got another one here, but that's off to the side. So it's gonna be a really hot day today. I don't want to be outside. I was outside yesterday. Oh, guys, I'm about to get a new job. Yeah, I'm gonna be working at the post office. I'm gonna be doing mail. Yep. So we're gonna get into this here. I'm gonna sit that right there, and I hope that looks like whatever that little brown stuff on top of it. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. What is these little pebble seeds on here? Look just like it. Oh, that look just like the bugs. That made me happy. Thank you. Oh, that smells so good. And I love lemon. Oh, that smells so good. Let me just get into break this. Oh, it's really yellow on the inside of it too. Mm. Hoo-wee. Why these things are so sweet? You know what? I'm gonna have to try them warm. You know. Mmm. I don't know what these little pebble seeds is, but I'm about to give these things a try. Mm. What the heck is I'm eating? Oh, wow. Okay. These little pebble seeds here, I'm assuming that's the lemon. I guess. But I'm going to try this again. Mmm. Mmm. I don't know how it tastes like a cream pie. These are really sweet. I don't got no water, no juice, no no nut milk, but um, but it's not bad. It tastes better than this maple. No, I think I'd probably eat the maple if I like Pop Tarts, but the overview, I would say this probably might be my best one, the maple, and the second of the lemon cream pie. I don't care for either or, but it tastes good. If y'all ever have these, go on and give it a try. Hey, it can't hurt, you know. So, yeah, I'm out of here.